Tired of flip-flops that leave your feet aching? Today, I'm revealing the most supportive, celeb-loved flip-flops on Amazon. Affordable, stylish, and designed to fix foot pain. Let's find your perfect pair. First up, KuaiLu Women's Flip-Flops, Amazon's budget comfort hero. These flip-flops have been making waves for their affordability and comfort, and they're quickly becoming a favorite among savvy shoppers. With thousands of rave reviews and prices as low as $14, I was skeptical until I tried them. The overwhelmingly positive feedback from customers piqued my interest, and I had to see for myself if they lived up to the hype. The footbed feels like a yoga mat, soft, dense, and supportive. It's like walking on a cloud, providing a cushioned experience that's perfect for all-day wear. Unlike cheap sandals, these don't flatten out after an hour. They maintain their shape and support even after extended use, which is a huge plus for anyone tired of flimsy footwear. The real win? Built-in, anatomically correct arch support. This feature is a game-changer, especially for those who need extra support throughout the day. If you have flat feet or plantar fasciitis, this is a game-changer. The arch support helps alleviate pain and provides the necessary comfort for prolonged wear. The arch contour aligns your foot, easing pain in your feet, knees, and back. This alignment is crucial for overall body comfort and can make a significant difference in your daily activities. The straps are soft and lined, no break-in blisters even after a full day of walking. This means you can wear them straight out of the box without worrying about discomfort. KuaiLu keeps costs low by focusing on what matters: footbed material and ergonomic shape. They prioritize comfort and functionality over flashy designs. No flashy branding, just pure comfort and support. The minimalist design is perfect for those who prefer understated elegance. It's the perfect entry point for anyone curious about supportive footwear. Whether you're new to the world of ergonomic shoes or a seasoned pro, these flip-flops offer a great balance of comfort and affordability. Wear them for errands, beach days, or lounging. They deliver all-day comfort. Their versatility makes them a staple in any wardrobe. For unbeatable value, KuaiLu is the everyday hero you'll wonder how you lived without. They offer a combination of quality and affordability that's hard to beat. It's no surprise they're a cult favorite on Amazon. The glowing reviews and high ratings speak for themselves. If you want comfort, support, and value, start here. KuaiLu flip-flops offer a trifecta of benefits that make them a standout choice. Links for deals are in the description. Don't miss out on the opportunity to grab these fantastic flip-flops at an amazing price. Let's move to our next contender. Stay tuned for more great options. Next, Archie's Arch Support Flip-Flops, podiatrist designed and celebrity approved. These flip-flops are not just another pair of summer footwear, they are a revolution in foot care. Imagine combining the casual ease of flip-flops with the orthopedic benefits usually reserved for specialized shoes. Designed by an Australian physiotherapist, these flip-flops offer sneaker-level support. They are meticulously crafted to provide the kind of arch support that you would expect from high-quality athletic shoes, making them perfect for everyday wear. The arch is pronounced and firm, providing up to 2.2 centimeters of orthopedic support. This level of support helps in maintaining proper foot alignment, which is crucial for overall body posture and health. This realigns your lower body and relieves plantar fasciitis and foot fatigue. By wearing Archies, you can significantly reduce the strain on your feet, making them ideal for long walks or standing for extended periods. The closed-cell foam is lightweight, durable, and molds to your foot for a custom fit. This material ensures that the flip-flops are not only comfortable but also long-lasting, providing value for your money. The strap is intentionally snug so your toes don't have to grip. Walk naturally with less strain. This design feature helps in reducing the common issue of toe gripping, which can lead to foot pain and discomfort. They may feel tight at first, but quickly become secure and comfortable. The initial snugness is part of the design to ensure that your foot is well supported, and it will adapt to your foot shape over time. At around $40, you're paying for medical-grade design and research. This price point reflects the extensive research and development that has gone into making these flip-flops a superior choice for foot health. Perfect for athletes, people on their feet all day, or anyone serious about foot health. Whether you're an athlete recovering from a workout or a professional who spends hours on their feet, Archies provide the support you need. They look like classic flip-flops, but deliver true orthopedic benefits. Don't be fooled by their casual appearance. These flip-flops are engineered to provide serious support and comfort. Jennifer Aniston wears them for a reason. It's not just style, it's comfort and function. Celebrities choose Archies not just for their looks but for the unparalleled comfort they offer. Archies bridge the gap between medical device and everyday footwear. They offer the best of both worlds, combining the therapeutic benefits of orthotic devices with the casual style of flip-flops. If you want real support in a summer-ready package, these are for you. Enjoy your summer activities without compromising on foot health. Check the description for the best deals. Don't miss out on special offers and discounts available right now. Ready for the next level of support? Let's go. Step into a new world of comfort and support with Archies. Meet Orthotic flip-flops, officially recognized with the APMA seal of acceptance and trusted by doctors for their foot-friendly design. These aren't your average sandals. They're engineered for real support and comfort, making them a standout choice for anyone who values foot health. Each pair features a deep heel cup, which cradles your heel to keep it stable and aligned. This design not only helps absorb shock with every step, but also minimizes the risk of your foot rolling inward or outward, which can lead to discomfort or injury over time. The high arch support is paired with a responsive gel insole in the heel, delivering both structure and plush cushioning. This thoughtful combination helps distribute your weight evenly, reducing pressure on sensitive areas and making long days on your feet much more manageable. For those struggling with plantar fasciitis, this combo is a true powerhouse. The targeted support and shock absorption can help ease the stabbing pain that often greets you in the morning, making daily routines less daunting. By supporting the arch and cushioning the heel, Orthotic sandals actively reduce strain on the plantar fascia. Many users notice a significant drop in morning pain and discomfort, allowing them to start their day with confidence and ease. Regular wearers consistently report a noticeable improvement in overall comfort, even after hours of walking or standing. Whether you're running errands or relaxing at home, these sandals help keep your feet feeling fresh and supported. And don't worry about sacrificing style for support. Orthotic sandals come in a range of trendy designs with stylish straps and modern finishes that look nothing like traditional medical footwear. You can wear them to a barbecue, a dinner party, or even out shopping. No one will guess they're orthopedic. They blend seamlessly with your wardrobe so you never have to compromise on appearance for the sake of comfort. Priced at around $27 when on sale, Orthotic sandals offer podiatrist-certified technology for less than the cost of a typical night out. It's rare to find this level of support and quality at such an accessible price point. For anyone managing foot pain or simply wanting to prevent future issues, investing in Orthotic is a smart move. They're easy to order online and make a practical addition to any footwear collection. The APMA seal gives you peace of mind, knowing these sandals meet high standards for foot health. The thoughtful design means you'll actually feel the difference with every step. If you want proven support without paying a premium, Orthotic stands out as a top pick, offering the same benefits as pricier brands, but at a fraction of the cost. Check the links below for the latest deals and discounts on Orthotic sandals. Next up, let's take a closer look at a recovery sandal designed for post-workout relief and all-day comfort. OOFOS, OOlala Recovery Thong Sandal, your post-workout recovery essential. Designed to help your feet and body recover after exercise or long days. The secret is OOFOM, which absorbs 37% more impact than standard footwear foam. Stepping in feels like walking on a dense marshmallow cloud, immediate relief. The footbed is biomechanically engineered with significant arch support. This reduces stress on your plantar fascia and helps your body realign. Athletes and marathoners swear by OOFOS for faster recovery and less soreness. The OOlala model adds style with a sleek silhouette and glossy colors. Go from gym to grocery store, these look as good as they feel. At around $65, you're investing in a specialized recovery tool, not just a sandal. Perfect for fitness enthusiasts or anyone on their feet all day. OOFOS proves advanced material science can transform simple footwear. Check the description for deals. Next, let's talk about a classic comfort icon. Clark's Breeze C Flip-Flop. Timeless comfort from a legendary brand. This is your reliable, everyday favorite. Classic style meets all-day wearability. The cushion-soft Ortholite footbed offers gentle, welcoming cushioning. Subtle arch support prevents fatigue without feeling intrusive. The adjustable strap ensures a perfect fit for any foot shape. Available in a huge range of colors and patterns to match any summer outfit. Thousands call this their go-to summer shoe for comfort and durability. Out-of-the-box comfort means no break-in period, just slip on and go. Lightweight, easy to pack, and stylish for any occasion. It's the vacation sandal you'll buy in multiple colors. For all-around comfort and classic style, Clarks Breeze C is unbeatable. Find deals in the description. Let's see what the beach-inspired crowd loves next. REEF Cushion Breeze, beach culture comfort, surf-inspired style. The cushioned EVA footbed is soft, lightweight, and shock-absorbing. Anatomical arch support keeps your feet aligned and fatigue-free. Water-friendly, durable, and built for sandy, salty adventures. Soft synthetic straps dry quickly and feel great against your skin. Effortless style pairs with shorts, sundresses, or swimwear. Instantly comfortable, with support that works quietly in the background. Thousands of fans love their long-lasting durability, perfect for beach days, poolside lounging, or bringing vacation vibes to daily life. If you want relaxed coastal comfort, REEF is your match. Deals are linked below. Now let's wrap up with a utility legend. Crocs Kadee 2. Flip-flop, the ultimate utility sandal. Made from cross-light foam, they're shockingly lightweight and comfortable. The footbed molds to your foot, with tiny nubs that gently massage as you walk. Completely water-friendly and buoyant, perfect for pool, beach, or boat. Easy to clean and quick to dry, just rinse and go. Sleek, minimalist design with thin feminine straps. The go-to for errands, dog walks, gardening, or any casual activity. Provides gentle all-day support for most feet. Incredibly durable and easy to maintain. If you need a no-fuss, reliable flip-flop, Crocs Kadee 2 is a winner. Check the description for deals. Let's find your perfect pair. 7 incredible flip-flops. Comfort, support, and style for every need. From budget-friendly KuaiLu to recovery-focused OOFOS, there's a perfect pair for you. Your feet are your foundation. Invest in their health. All models and deals are linked below. Like, subscribe, and share if you found your dream flip-flops. Stay comfy, stay stylish. See you next time. Thanks for watching Tools and Decor USA.